Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 VW Passat. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. Now you can either go to phone. If you click on phone, it's saying find telephone there, or you can go to menu, but you come to the same screen. So find telephone. VW BT4542 has already come up, so we'll click on that. System searching. My phone's found the system's looking for my phone. Very unsuccessful, but we'll leave it going. Probably one of the reasons is I've just deleted this phone from this system, so I might have confused it a little bit. But there you go, it's now found it. So Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so I'll click on there. Requesting available profiles. Well, that looks like it's making life difficult. Hands-free telephone connecting to Barry's iPhone. Does this passkey 951498 match? Well, yes it does, so we click pair there and yes there, and that's connecting. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And that's it connected. And there you go, you can see it connected there.